The $0.77 support level for Nexo's truly is serious areas of strength for truly, in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo's exchanges closed $2.72 in an especially enormous manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in a real sense is floating at $43.22,880,000, which especially is genuinely critical. Nexo down around 33% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours, which fundamentally is very critical. 18 Walk 2024. In this video we will generally walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and certainly attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on pressing issues facts. What for the most part is truly transient cost expectation for Nexo. Really is Nexo a sort of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth, which explicitly is very huge. Yet, prior to plunging extremely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, generally let us really discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which most certainly is very huge. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 184%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to 547.35 and 58, 366, showing how Nexo's exchanges closed $0.72, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The genuinely complete exchanging volume generally remains at $138, 382, 160, 151, showing how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 184%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $547.25 and 58, 366, showing how Nexo's exchanges closed $72 in a very huge manner. Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which and that's what large shows Nexo down roughly 33% inside the very most recent 24 hours, or so they generally thought, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67,546.32 level after a decay of 111%, or so they in a real sense thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 32% coming to $33,519.83 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%, which certainly shows that Nexo down roughly 33% inside the most recent 24 hours, which by and large is very huge. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $202, following a value change of 165% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. BNB, the especially local coin of BNB for the most part, is somewhere around 3.8 and at present exchanging at $555.36, or so they essentially thought. Furthermore, XRP came to $0.61 subsequent to seeing a decay of 178% in esteem in a kind of large way. These occasions explicitly show that the market basically is going in a kind of descending course for especially present moment, which truly is very critical. As of now, a sort of broad, extremely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which most certainly shows that market investigation over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $547 and 58, 366, showing how Nexo's exchanges closed $72, which explicitly is very critical. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will really walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually for the most part clarified pressing issues facts. What certainly is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Nexo, truly is Nexo an essentially wise venture, which generally is very critical. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases by and large become sort of dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which especially is very huge. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which vendors by and large move especially dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 184%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $547.58, 366, showing how Nexo's exchanges closed $72 in a genuinely huge manner. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The ongoing Nexo cost in a real sense is $0.72, with an exchanging volume of $4.322 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, which in a real sense shows that Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Presently, Nexo fundamentally is somewhere around 3% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $405, 440, 629 as USD, or so they in a real sense thought. Nexo value. Examination Nexo cost investigation for 18 walk 2024 inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span explicitly made sense of beneath, which in a real sense shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in every way that really matters is floating at $4.322, which especially is very huge. We utilize really relative strength indices, moving genuinely normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving. Genuinely normal SMA and dramatic moving certainly normal MA to especially dissect the future development of the Nexo, which fundamentally shows that Nexo value investigation, Nexo cost examination for 18 walk 2024 inside and especially everyday time span in a real sense made sense of beneath, which generally shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo truly is floating at $4.322, which basically is very critical. The Nexo by and large has in every way that really matters, break all its essentially upholds levels and things in a real sense are not looking especially great for the crypto market, exhibiting how market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 184%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $547.95 and 58,366, showing how Nexo's exchanges closed $0.72, or so they explicitly thought. At present, sort of bears basically are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Nexo cost underneath the urgent help level of $82. Exceptionally further appearance how right now, a truly broad, truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which especially shows that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There, for the most part, was a destruction of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $547.5 and 58,366, showing how Nexo's exchanges closed $72, or so they basically thought. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and fundamentally is attempting to generally break out of the lack of bias zone. So yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Nexo specialized examination, really let us certainly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. While Nexo's Williams % R market truly is at 52.1869 for the 14